Okay, so here we are again. The fan. All right, well, here. What I'm thinking is this, keep locks working freely. It might be for mechanical applications, but as far as a constant bearing lubricant, it worked for a little while and it worked fairly well. But as you can tell, it did not work fully. So back to the drawing board. Well, it might be time to salvage pieces and parts off this little guy. All right, I'm not going to videotape breaking it all apart like I did last time because you've seen it. This is just follow-up as to I was stuck in a conundrum. Note to self, don't use this for powered lubrication. It needs, maybe I'll use some Marvel mystery oil or one of the other things that I have. This basic WD-40 oils and crop. And go back to 3-in-1. I don't know. All right, we'll see. I'll be back when I get it all apart. We're back, and come apart. Once again, one-handed. You over there. You guys go down there. Well, okay, you can see. Hold on. I guess there's some type of a lubricant on there, but it's not really much of anything because it's like, again, it's that front one. Oh, wow. It's gritty and gross. Well, all right. Well, I'm going to tear it all apart again. And this time I'll do it like I originally intended. And we're going to go with this. Like I said, if I can keep it going, I'll be happy. But I think my wife jinxed me. So, it's going to die. Well, we'll see. I'm going to clean it all back up and get it back together. I'm not going to do like I did last time. You saw the process. I'm just cleaning it up again, and I'm going to put this on it. All right, well, this might be the last rodeo for this little guy. All right, you see, right here is a little thrust washer that, well, there was one on either side, but as I was cleaning it up, well, that one is now dead. I'm still gonna run with it. I'm not sure if I have anything that thin in my pieces and parts. I'm gonna look, but it's pretty jacked. Well, we'll see. Like I said, if it finally dies, then I'll scavenge what pieces and parts. Usually just little screws that are still applicable, but I don't know. I bet you this would forge out into something pretty good. No, we'll see. All right, getting it back together. Okay, we're all back together. Plug back in, and let's see if we actually. Well, it's turning. Actually, it feels like it's doing okay, but yeah, I'm not too sure. No. Well, maybe it'll be a shop fan for a little bit until it dies. It's all full of the white lithium. Well, not full, just coated a goodly amount. Well, a good dab, fingerful, and then smeared all over the inside of the bearing, the shaft. It's got a fairly tight tolerance in there, but well, it's working again. That's all that matters to me. And we'll see how long it keeps going. All right, on to the next project.